Hi all, today I'll be unboxing the iTeknic True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. It came in this neat package. So this is the manual. And came also with a charging cable, which is a standard USB-C. And then the earbuds and the charging case. And here it is. Looks nice, and the case looks sturdy and protective. Good thing, I think it came already charged and it's now ready for pairing, so I'll try pairing with it. Yeah, here iTeknic IKBH 006 and pair. Okay, it's already paired. Battery is 100%. Let's see if I can play something. Yeah, I'm eager to try it, and maybe I'll do another review later for how it performs.